Hi everyone, this is Emmy. I've had a request for a paper project and no specific request, so I'm just going to go ahead and do some book page projects. You can use these items to do greeting cards, bookmarks, little note cards. You could use them in journaling or scrapbooking. You could make mobiles with these little feather ones. You could also hang them from a window. And I'm going to show you how to do feathers and hearts and Santas. And I'm going to use book pages from this very old French-English dictionary that my children used in school a long time ago. And I've been using it for a long time, but I still have lots of pages that I can use it for. So let's get started. For this Santa, which you could use as an ornament or you could make a greeting card with it, I just drew an oval shape, and it doesn't have to be exact. You could even do it like this. For the beard, it could be wiggly like that. Now I'm just going to do a line like this. That's the band of the hat. And I'll put some dots on it. And now here's for the face, just a U shape. And the nose will be there. And then you'll have the eye there, maybe a few eyelashes, and then you're going to do the mustache, and it's just an oval teardrop shape like that. And you can do some wavy lines for the beard and maybe here too. And on this one I added a pom-pom. And for the hat, you can color it in with a Sharpie marker or with watercolor paints. I'll just do this one with the Sharpie marker. And I'll add some dots on his hat as well. And some pink for his face. So you could make these as ornaments by gluing another section behind and attaching a hanger. You could cut out around the outline. And now that you know how easy it is to do these, you could make them in a smaller version like this and make some gift tags. And you could use these to make a bookmark by just layering some cardstock, black construction paper, and then the book page design. Some note cards, bookmarks, or you could make a greeting card by layering black cardstock, some white cardstock, and I just cut it out with these scissors that I got at the dollar store. So you would just attach that and you'd have a nice greeting card. And there's the same application with the heart. You could do a small note card, you could do a bookmark, you could do a greeting card. Folded the sheet in half, and I cut out a heart shape. And then with the Sharpie marker, I just made some designs on them. For these, I just did lines like that. For this one, I just made random lines. Any old way, doesn't matter. And then I just did some little designs on each section. Anything you like. This is just a number 6. And let's do some heavy zigzags here. And some dots in between. Like that. And if you like, you can do a line around the outside edge. And then I have some children's watercolors here. And I'm just going to add some color on each of these sections. Like that. Now you can just let that dry. You could do a small note card, you could do a bookmark, you could do a greeting card. And I have another sheet that's the size of this, and I'm going to cut my feather shape from here. And I'm just going to cut something that looks like a feather. Well, you can open it up and see if you like it, and that looks fine. So I'm going to place that on my doubled sheet, and I'm going to cut another same shape. Like that. And I have some wire, and I purchased that at the dollar store for $1.50. So I'm going to use one of those for the inside of my feather. And I'm going to use some Elmer's glue, and I'm going to spread some Elmer's glue I'm going to place my wire in the center, and I'm going to place the other section over the top. Like that, and I'm going to let that dry. To finish off your feathers, you could color them in with markers, and I just made jagged lines like that, or you could leave them plain, or color them in with watercolors. Like that, and on the end I just curled the wire around a pencil. So now you could hang these in a window, or you could use them as a mobile. And then I just cut lines like this, going in this direction first, and then just at random I just cut in the other direction. And then I just ran my fingers along just to loosen up the little slits. And then you can take a black Sharpie marker and just make a line down the center, and then just add some little feathery lines all the way down your feather. Like that. So now you can hang these as a mobile. You could turn them into greeting cards, or you could use them as a bookmark, or you could even frame it as artwork. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make these very easy paper crafts that are not going to cost you very much. And I have a video listed on how to make your own card blanks and how to make your own envelopes to go with them. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post that below this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.